Hi everyone! This year you will find many kinds of paintings from my balcony. Luckily, I captured many birds and some instances of beautiful weather from my balcony. I may paint a kingfisher or a parrot or a squirrel playing in the branches or a woodpecker or a lovely white grey wagtail or a golden oriole or a peahen nearby my residence or a small cute little sunbird. I might share some gardening tips and would like to finish some ongoing paintings. You never know what kind of video may drop. So subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, do share with your friends and yes, give your suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.